Hey everyone, welcome back to English Flowing. I'm Dom.
And I'm Larissa. We're so happy you're here today.
Today we're talking about something really exciting. Travel. Airports, hotels, asking for help when you're in a new place.
Oh, I love this topic. Travel can be scary when you don't know the language well, but it can also be amazing.
Exactly. And you know what? You don't need perfect English to travel. You just need a few simple sentences and you'll be fine.
That's so true. Even just knowing how to say, "Where's the bathroom?" can save you.
Right? So today we're going to help you feel more confident when you travel. We'll share some stories, teach you useful phrases, and help you practice.
And hey, if you love learning English with us, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us keep making these episodes for you.
All right, let's get started.
So, Dom, do you remember your first time traveling alone?
Oh my gosh, yes. I was so nervous. I was maybe 20 years old and I flew to another country by myself.
Really? What happened?
Well, I got to the airport and I couldn't find my gate. You know, the place where you wait for your plane?
Oh no.
Yeah, and I was too shy to ask anyone for help. I just walked around for like 30 minutes looking lost.
That's so stressful.
It was, but finally I saw a woman who worked at the airport and I said, "Excuse me, where is gate 15?" And she smiled and helped me. It was that easy.
See, sometimes we make things harder in our heads.
Exactly. What about you? Do you have a travel story?
Oh, I do. Last year, I went to a hotel in a different city, and when I got there, I was so tired. I just wanted to sleep.
I totally get that.
But when I got to my room, the air conditioner wasn't working. It was so hot.
Oh no, what did you do?
I called the front desk. That's the place at the hotel where you check in and ask for help.
Right?
And I said, "Excuse me, the air conditioner in my room is not working. Can you help me?" And they sent someone to fix it right away.
That's great. See, you used simple English and it worked.
Exactly. You don't need big, fancy words. Just be polite and clear.
I love that. Okay, so let's talk more about these travel situations and how to handle them. So, let's start with the airport. Airports can feel really big and confusing, right?
Oh, definitely. Especially if it's your first time.
But here's the thing. Airports are actually very organized. You just need to know a few simple phrases.
Like what?
Well, first, when you arrive at the airport, you need to check in. That means you go to a desk and show your ticket or passport.
Right. And if you can't find the desk, you can ask, "Where is check-in?"
Perfect. Or you can say, "Where is the check-in desk?" Both are good.
I remember one time I was at the airport and I didn't know where to go. I saw a man in a uniform and I said, "Excuse me, where is check-in for my flight?"
And did he help you?
Yes, he pointed and said, "Over there on the left." So simple.
See, people want to help you. You just have to ask.
That's so true. What about after check-in? What's next?
Okay, after check-in, you usually go through security. That's where they check your bags and make sure everything is safe.
Oh, security can be a little stressful.
It can be, yeah, but it's not so bad. You just put your bags on a table, walk through a machine, and then you get your bags back.
Right. And if you don't understand something, you can ask, "What do I do?" Or, "Can you help me?"
Exactly. I remember one time I had a bottle of water in my bag, and the security person said I couldn't take it.
Oh, that happens a lot.
Yeah, and I didn't know that rule. So I just said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know." And I threw it away. No big problem.
That's a good attitude. Mistakes are okay when you're traveling.
For sure. All right, so after security, you need to find your gate. Remember, the gate is where you wait for your plane.
And how do you ask for that?
You can say, "Where is gate 12?" Or, "How do I get to gate 12?"
Nice and simple.
Exactly. Let me tell you a funny story. One day, I was at a really big airport. I looked at my ticket and it said Gate 53,
53? That's a big number.
right? I thought, okay, I'll just walk there. But after 10 minutes, I was still walking.
Oh no.
Yeah. So I stopped and asked someone, "Excuse me, is Gate 53 far from here?" And they said, "Yes, it's very far. You should take the train."
Wait, there was a train inside the airport?
Yes, some big airports have little trains that take you to different gates.
That's so cool.
It is, but I didn't know that, so I'm glad I asked.
That's the lesson, right? Always ask when you're not sure.
Absolutely. Okay, now let's talk about hotels.
Oh, I love staying in hotels.
Me too. Hotels are usually pretty easy. When you arrive, you go to the front desk and say, "Hello, I have a reservation."
What's a reservation?
Good question. A reservation means you already booked a room. You called or went online and said, "I want to stay at this hotel."
Got it. So when you arrive, you tell them, I have a reservation.
Exactly. And they'll usually ask for your name and maybe your ID or passport.
Right. And then they give you a key to your room.
Yep. But sometimes things don't go perfectly. Let me tell you what happened to me once.
Oh, this sounds interesting.
So I checked into a hotel and I went to my room. I opened the door and the room was not clean. There were towels on the floor and the bed wasn't made.
Oh no, that's not okay.
I know. So I went back to the front desk and said, "Excuse me, my room is not clean. Can you help me?"
And what did they say?
They were so sorry. They said, "We're very sorry. We'll clean it right now, or we can give you a different room."
And what did you choose?
I chose a different room, and it was really nice.
See, you just have to speak up.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to ask for what you need.
That's such good advice. What about other hotel situations?
Well, sometimes you need extra things, like towels or soap, or even a blanket if you're cold.
How do you ask for those?
You can call the front desk and say, "Can I have an extra towel, please?" Or, "Can I have more soap?"
That's easy.
It is, and they'll bring it to your room.
I remember one time I was in a hotel and I wanted to know what time breakfast was.
Oh, breakfast. That's important.
Yeah, so I called the front desk and said, "What time is breakfast?" And they said, "Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Perfect. Simple question, simple answer.
Exactly. You know, I think the key to all of this is just being polite and clear.
I totally agree. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to be friendly.
Right. And one more thing. It's okay to ask people to repeat something.
Oh, that's so important. If someone talks too fast or you don't understand, just say, "Can you repeat that, please?" Or, "I don't understand."
Yes, people will not be angry. They'll just say it again, maybe more slowly.
Exactly. I do this all the time, even in my own language sometimes.
Me too. Communication is about understanding each other, not about being perfect.
I love that. Okay, so let's practice some of these phrases now. All right, everyone. Now we're going to practice some important words and phrases from today. Listen carefully and repeat after us.
This will help you remember everything.
Our first word is airport. An airport is the place where planes take off and land. I'm going to the airport tomorrow.
Now repeat after me. I'm going to the airport tomorrow.
Great. Next word is ticket. A ticket is a paper or electronic pass that lets you get on a plane or train. I have my ticket.
Say it with me. I have my ticket.
Perfect. Now, gate. A gate is the place at the airport where you wait for your plane. Where is gate 10?
Repeat. Where is gate 10?
Excellent. Next is check-in. Check-in means to register at a hotel or airport. I need to check in.
Try this one. I need to check in.
Nice. Now, reservation. A reservation is when you book a room or a seat before you go. I have a reservation.
Repeat after me. I have a reservation.
Wonderful. Next word, front desk. The front desk is the place at a hotel where you get help. Where is the front desk?
Say it with me. Where is the front desk?
Great job. Now, room. A room is a space in a hotel where you sleep. My room is very nice.
Repeat. My room is very nice.
Awesome. Next is help. Help means to make something easier for someone. Can you help me?
Try this one. Can you help me?
Perfect. Now, repeat. Repeat means to say something again. Can you repeat that?
Say it with me. Can you repeat that?
Excellent. Next is understand. Understand means to know what something means. I don't understand.
Repeat after me. I don't understand.
Beautiful. Last one, thank you. We say thank you when someone helps us. Thank you very much.
Say it with me. Thank you very much.
Amazing work, everyone. You're doing great.
Okay, let's quickly go over what we learned today.
When you're at the airport, you can ask, "Where is check-in?" or "Where is my gate?"
And at the hotel, you can say, I have a reservation when you arrive.
If you need something, just say, "Can you help me?" or "Can I have a towel, please?"
And if you don't understand, it's totally okay to say, can you repeat that?
These simple phrases will help you so much when you travel.
Just remember to be polite, clear, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
All right, now we want to hear from you.
We have some questions and we'd love to see your answers in the comments.
First question. Have you ever traveled to another country? Where did you go?
Second question. What's the hardest part of traveling for you? Is it the airport, the hotel, or something else?
And last question. Can you write one sentence in English about your favorite trip?
We'll read all your comments and we love seeing you practice your English.
So don't be shy. Write something down below.
Well, that's it for today's episode.
We hope you feel a little more confident about traveling now.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave and try.
Every time you use English, even just a little bit, you're getting better.
And we're so proud of you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Flowing.
We make new episodes every week to help you improve your English in a fun and natural way.
And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.
Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, you've got this.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Feel free to watch more videos here.